Hi guys, today I want to share with you all my recipe for a barbecue spice rub. This is great especially on ribs, and you can even use it on chicken, beef, lamb, pork, whatever you would like to. So to make the spice rub, we're going to start by adding some brown sugar to a bowl, and the brown sugar is optional for those of you who are diabetic friendly. Next, I'm going to go in with some cumin powder or some unroasted jeera powder, some black pepper, some cayenne powder, some garlic powder and onion powder, some smoked paprika, some ginger powder, lemon pepper, and some sweet paprika. All you do now is mix the combine and your spice rub is ready. Now you'll notice I did not add any salt to this. It's because we want to control the amount of salt that goes into our food while cooking. So when you're using this, you would season your meats with salt first before seasoning it with this seasoning powder. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. This is just one of the many spice recipes that I have coming up on my channel. So if you did enjoy today's recipe and you have a request for a spice recipe, please leave it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. If you try this, let me know if you like it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.